Alright, welcome back. We're back out here in the shop trying to finish our project. Update. That's leaning up right there out of the way. I got out here, struggled, and did get it off. I got these spears torched off of there. There's the other one over there. Yes, Mountain Dew. I've got to get them cleaned up, put them in the vise, take a grinder, clean them up, and then we got to cut our holes out of the, so we can cut our holes in the pipe over there, the tubing over there, so that we can weld it back. So, sure, I'm glad y'all came back. I'm gonna get these in the vise. I don't even know if I got this thing set up right. Sure don't look like it. Let's see here. Where's my buttons? Nope. How about this? Let me turn this thing around. Man, I'm having so much trouble with this camera today. Alright. There we go. Somebody had jacked with it and had the settings messed up. Alright. I'm going to get these in the vise one at a time. I'm going to get them ground up. See if we can't get them cleaned up a little bit. I'll show you a little better picture. There's the boy feeding his steer. Yeah. Just to have a heifer in there with him. So, let me get these put in there. We'll be back. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the trip. He not even sure what it looks like yet. He set up on top of that right there and filmed me grinding those and getting them cleaned up. But he abandoned me. It was getting hot in a hurry. I'm trying to get where the sun's not blinding. But guess what? We got her done. We got it all welded up, painted, everything. It's probably still a little bit tacky. A little bit. But it's just a touch tacky. When it's 105 right now, we're looking at like 100 and what they say, 110 today, 109 today, 110 tomorrow, something like that. It's gonna be bad, boys. It's gonna be bad. But we got this one knocked out. We got this job knocked out. Next time y'all see this old Spear, she'll be back on the front of that tractor. We do have our tractor home now. You can't see it. Well, kinda. Sorta. When you look through the door there, you can kinda see it. Let me get where I can show y'all. But anyways, I would go hunt for the bulls to show you the bulls, but it's excruciating when I go outside. I gotta put my sunglasses on now. But it's excruciatingly hot when you're out, when you're not in the shade. So y'all hey, y'all try to get cool. Y'all cool off. Most importantly, y'all keep at it.